Wonderful. Welcome to the AI Insights Hub. Today, we will be talking about some exciting stuff related to Claude AI with the Zapier MCP tool. Quickly share some of that insights today. If you're ready to unlock the potential of AI, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Let's take a quick look at it. Claude, you can actually set up MCP server with Claude. And so you need to set it up and then provide Claude AI access to your Zapier account. That's what I'm doing here right now. And then ask your chat in the Claude. You can actually see I've set up Zapier account by you here, right? So you can actually set up. It now has a lot of connectors you can browse through. So significantly very large number of connectors. You can play with it. There are best practices. Essentially, when you are connecting, identify your purpose, ensure that the right level of access is provided for your Claude AI client, right? So to and also monitor how that is actually using and what it is doing, and manage your access and security rights appropriately for your client. So one of the specific integration that I'm interested is Zapier, and you could see wide varieties of connectors here. So we'll talk about that later. Some are payments, some are productivity tools, and some are document management tools, and so on. So definitely take a look at it and provides a lot of flexibility. Zapier, I'm more interested because if you set up a Zapier connection, so you should be able to actually do a lot with it. Over 8,000 applications you can automate, right? So you can see what tools you can provide with it. And this is my Zapier URL. You need to provide that MCP server that you configure. So for example, in the Zapier side of the world, so this is the MCP server that I've configured. So you just need to configure an MCP server. You can set up any MCP servers with any clients, and so one box, right? So Zapier, now I set up Claude here, and all you need is configuration. You have to set it up. I've taken a simple example. Actually, you can work with over 8,000 plus applications, but here I've taken one simple example of a one test file that I have to read access to some sample dummy data of an employee information and summarize, right? So I can continue to add additional tools. I can summarize and send it out an email, send out an Slack message, a calendar invite for a meeting, so on. I can do with it. So if you go into the cloud application again, so we allow that access, and now you see that Zapier is selected, and Zapier has all the permissions required, tools and find sheets. This is the specific permission I gave. You can ask the question like, okay, summarize the contents of employee sample load file into here. So something like that. Your typical um, general map question that you can ask depending on your use case, and then it will start to ask you for permissions, right? So now you can actually see whether you want to. I mean, you can. provide hello always, or you can be conservative and ensure that you have a specific security permission granted, and looking at what you're trying to do. So I do this once, and then we'll do, and it is analyzing the find. Now it is providing the summary, employee sample load file summary with all the details what it is, and you can continue with the general navigation, right? So this is it for today. Again, thanks for tuning into this episode. If you found today's episode helpful, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an insight. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.